Hello everyone, welcome to Whiskey Therapy. I'm Jason. Today we're making the Naked and Famous. It's smoky, it's citrusy, and it's equal parts regret and enlightenment. It's like waking up with one shoe, a concert wristband, and an unexpected spiritual connection to Mezcal. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the Naked and Famous was invented in 2011 at Death & Company in New York by Joaquín Simó. Think of it as the last word that studied abroad in Mexico and came back smoking Mezcal. It's smoky, bitter, bright orange, and way more famous than most of us will ever be, naked or not. Let's go through today's ingredient lineup. Mezcal. Smoke in a glass, like if a campfire got a sociology degree. Aperol, that bitter orange stuff your aunt swears makes her look European. Yellow Chartreuse, made by monks who clearly knew how to party. Lime juice, the citrus slap you didn't ask for, but probably deserve. So into the tin go all the ingredients, all equal parts, which is great because math is hard and you're probably already buzzed. First, 3/4 of an ounce of Mezcal. This is what a campfire would taste like if it grew up in Brooklyn and had a complicated relationship with its dad. Now 3/4 of an ounce of Aperol. It's bitter and bright, like a sunburn with opinions. Then Yellow Chartreuse, 110 proof. It's made by monks and somehow tastes like botanical wizardry and tax evasion. Finally, 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, because at this point, your mouth should be nervous. Add some nugget ice to your glass to chill it. Here I'm using the E-Cozy ice and water dispenser. Then add some ice to your tin. Now shake it like you just saw your boss on a dating app. Double strain it into a fancy glass, or the cleanest one you have. No garnish. This drink doesn't dress up. It shows up late, steals your fries, and still somehow gets invited back. And there you have it, the Naked and Famous. Let's go in for a taste, y'all. Cheers. So it's smoky, it's sharp, citrusy, weirdly emotional, like an indie movie with no resolution. It tastes like your last good decision, followed by 3 questionable ones and a punchline. The Mezcal slaps you in the face, the Aperol comes in with a bitter apology, the Chartreuse hugs you weirdly long, and then the lime juice just watches it all happen. And that, my beautifully unstable friends, is the Naked and Famous, a drink that's bold, mysterious, and clearly doesn't own a shirt. Hit like, smash subscribe, and drop a comment if you've ever made this drink, or made out with someone who orders it. Stay hydrated, stay chaotic. Remember, you don't need to be naked or famous, but it does help. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you next time. Cheers.